Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the third challenge under getting started with deep learning, which is convolutional neural networks. So we'll just click on it. After that, watch this video completely guys. Then only click on the start button, which is here. We'll just click on it and we'll wait for a while. Guys, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. It will motivate me to create more content guys. We'll wait for a while. As usual, it may take 10 to 20 minutes, so we'll wait for a while. So after waiting for nearly 10 minutes guys, I got this launch icon. Now we'll click on it. After clicking, it will send us here. We'll just double click on third one. We'll click on it and it will come here. We'll scroll down and we'll go serial wise as we have gone for the second one. We'll click on it. Now first one is done. Now this will be our second one, and after that this will be our third one, then fourth one, then we'll scroll down and see this will be our fifth one. Okay, now comes the sixth one. So here fix me is written, the solution is given below. Click on it and this is our solution. We'll just click on it and we'll run it. So 6 is done. Now we'll scroll down and we will run this one. So this will be our seventh one. Then scroll down and see here solution is written here. We click on it and this is our solution for the seventh one. So now 8 came here. This will be our ninth one, and after that scroll down and this will be our 10th one. Then right next to that 11th is there. We'll click on it again. We'll go down and this will be our 12th one. Then scroll down and after that we'll just scroll down and this will be our 13th one. Then this will be our 14th one. We'll scroll down for that. Yeah, now this is our 14th one guys. If you want, you can take this as your project guys, because in universities really time matters guys. So this is our 16th one. You can attach this in your resume and under your project section guys, because it will help you a lot guys. So this will be our 18th, then 19th comes here. Okay, but before that, yeah, 19 has been done. Now we'll click on this one. This will be our 20th one. We'll scroll down. See, now star is there, so we'll wait for it. So as usual, after 2 minutes 20 has came here. We'll scroll down and this will be our last one. Okay, so 21. We'll just click on run button. After that, just double click on this save icon, so it will be saved. We'll wait for a while. See, now it's saved. Now come to the place from where we have launched it. Now click here to stop task. Here click on confirm. Guys, I don't say this at the starting of the video because it will waste some kind of your time guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. It will motivate me to create more content guys. Thank you for watching guys. If you have any kind of error, you can comment in the comment section. I'll be following you up as soon as possible. Thank you for watching guys.